These are my results on the scientific experiment of strawberry jam making with pectin sugar and non-pectin sugar. So we've got a jam that is pectin free. It was made with 1 kilo of fruit to half a kilo of granulated sugar. A jam made with 1 kilo of fruit to half a kilo of jam sugar, so with pectin, to a jam made with 1 kilo of fruit to 1 kilo of jam sugar, a lot of pectin. This is also the concentration that the sugar manufacturer recommends on using jam sugar. Now, first thing is color. As you can see, there is a color difference between them. The jam made with 1 kilo of fruit to 1 kilo of sugar is got a bright red color. Now that makes sense because the concentration of sugar is higher than the other jams. The other jams, and it doesn't matter if it's a pectin or non-pectin jam, on the video they do look like they're slightly different red, but on naked eye they're not. They're this kind of red color. Less concentration of sugar, higher concentration of fruit, and therefore a deeper, darker red. Second will be consistency. Now, as you can see, on the jams that were made with half a kilo of sugar to 1 kilo of fruit, regardless of whether they have pectin like this one or non-pectin like this one, they are quite liquid. The spoons are diving into the jam. This is because the jam is not properly set. Very, very difficult to set a strawberry jam without added pectin or without added pectin-rich fruit. And even in this one that has half a kilo of pectin jam, it's still very, very runny. The jam made with a kilo of fruit to a kilo of sugar, as you can see, it's pretty solid, pretty consistent. You have to dig into it to get it out, okay? It does have this kind of rubbery feel to it. You can spread it easily on bread, but not as easily as the other ones. Third and last is flavor. Now, I am very partial to jams, especially jams that have got a lesser concentration of sugar. 1 kilo of fruit to 1 kilo of sugar is sickening sweet. It's just too sweet. I can't eat it anymore because all my jams are made from 1 kilo of fruit to half a kilo of sugar. These two, regardless of whether they've got pectin or non-pectin sugar, because they have the same concentration of sugar to fruit, they have a very, very similar taste to them. So, conclusion. If you don't add pectin at the concentration recommended by the manufacturer, you're not going to be able to set strawberry jam. Even this one, who has some pectin in it, it's clearly not enough to set it. You do need to have a 1-to-1 ratio to be able to set the strawberry jam. Now, I don't care that the jam is not set properly. I don't care that the consistency of the jam is so liquid that the spoon is diving completely into the jam. What I care is that a 1-to-1 ratio makes for a more natural looking and natural tasting jam than a jam that has got 1-to-1 ratio. It is liquid, it doesn't matter. It tastes better, it looks better. This is the jam I like, and that's it.